I am working to get a beautiful laundry room in my new house. I want it to be nice and clean and organized, not like my current one, which is why I was super excited to receive these little containers for your laundry room from the brand. So thank you to the brand so much for gifting these to me. It's a nice little 4-pack, and it comes with these little wood lids, or you can also get black lids. I'm not sure if they're wood or not, but I love the natural wood look. And it comes with little labels that you can put on the containers with multiple different options, and even some blank ones if you want to make your own. So this is for my little scented beads for the laundry. Then I have this one for my laundry detergent. This one will be for my laundry pods, which I seem to be out of, so there's none in there right now. And then my dryer sheets. Love this. I think it will look super cute on my new house. We're moving in a month or so, and it's got a beautiful little shelf above the laundry machines, and these will look so nice there. So absolutely love it. Highly recommend it. It's just a nice way to keep everything looking beautiful, fresh at your fingertips. Thank you so much to the brand.